Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex. I do all kinds of beauty videos and usually a lot of Indian related love videos because you guys seem to really enjoy that. Anyway, today's going to be a different type of video. I haven't been uploading as much because I had a really bad thing happen, and I will probably update you guys in the next video or two. I'm just not ready to talk about it yet because it's just, I don't want to get into it right now, but I will definitely let you guys know. Anyway, today we're going to be doing a video. I actually found this at the Asia market. Apparently it's made in Japan, and it's just like a really cute bento box, but instead of just like, they're all gummies, but instead of just, you know, eating them, you actually have to make them. So I thought that was really cool, and there's also like a translator type of thing. So if you'd like to see this and if you're excited, well, I'm really excited because I saw a panda and I was like, I need to get it. So anyway guys, if you want to see that, just keep watching. Alright, so we have the box here. It says wash your hands well, so I guess we'll go ahead and do that. And then it says prepare a glass of water. A glass of water here as per the instructions. So apparently I have to cut a tray as shown, so we're gonna go ahead and open it together. So I don't think we need to read any of those, but just in case you're wondering, feel free to pause the video and read those off. So here we go. Open it together. Oh, that is really cute actually. So this will be recycled. Cute. So next we have this little bento box thing. On the back it has what we're making. So we will go ahead and open it here. Here's all the stuff we need. Apparently we need to cut this off because that's going to be our little cup packs. We got this little fork, and then we have this popping cooking. I'm not really sure what this bag is for yet, but we'll follow the instructions and see what it says. And also here's like a mold. You can see all this stuff on here because that's just for reference. So we'll make broccoli first because that's the first thing. It says add a triangle cup to the section. Add from the green packet. It will become firm in 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, I got a full cup of water. I had no idea it would be this small. Okay, ooh, almost overfilled it. Here's number one, is just broccoli, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the water. And then add powder from the green packet. So I have this packet here, which is the right. So I have the packet open. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the mix. Whoa. So apparently I couldn't do this by myself, so I had to have help. Step 4 is make this rice ball. We need to add 2 full triangle cups to section 4, which is this section right here. As you can see, we already have 3 of them done. So here's 1 cup. I never thought making gummies could be so much work. Okay, I overfilled it a little bit, it's okay. So here we go. This is in section 4. Oh goodness sake. Now it says add powder from the blue packet. So packet, it's actually bigger than the normal ones. This is the normal one, this is the rice packet, so it's a little bit bigger. And now it says mix until thick. You can go ahead. We have it mixed, as you can see. It doesn't really, I don't know, I mean, I guess it looks okay. But now it says we have to divide rice in half. Form rice balls to match the shape and size of the package guide as shown in picture. I don't know what that means, but we'll figure it out. And I guess in here too. So we'll go ahead and do that. It doesn't really say to add water, but I'm assuming you need to. So this is what I have so far. I have some powder in here, powder in here. I'm gonna cut this in half to make the ears, and then I have some powder here. It didn't say to add water, but I don't understand how it's gonna get like thick unless I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little water here. Whoa, that's a lot. I'm gonna mix it up and clean it up. To be honest, this is not, this doesn't look like it's working very well. Oh no, what did I do? That now. Oh my goodness sakes. So I think what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to roll it into a ball and then push it down like this. And then push it down like this. You know what? Our rice balls are just not going to be the same, okay? Look at this. This is sad. Next step is make fried chicken. So we have to add another full circle, or triangle I should say. So go to add it here. And then the next step is we're going to add the fried chicken powder and mix it until thick. So we can definitely do that. And this is really sticky, so I kind of wish I would have worn gloves now. Oh, I can't believe I messed it up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and mix from the orange packet mix and then put it into a squeezing bag and then cut the top off and then squeeze it like a little turd right here. So, we are almost done. My husband is filming, so he is making fun of me hard, low-key when I mess something up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and... Your camera skills suck. I'm not even in frame. So 2 cups of water in here. So that's what this was for. Oops. So anyway, here's the spaghetti in the bag. We cut an end off here and you're supposed to just poop it out like this and make little spaghettis.
Oh my goodness, this is... Can you stay together, please? Can you flip those nice? How did I make these for free? Okay, so now that we're done, we can finally... This is our fried chicken, which actually does kind of look like the box, to be honest. I think we did good with those. Our rice balls, just...
What does everything else look like? Oh my gosh, this is not... What? Oh gosh, if someone knows how to do this better, please leave me a comment below, because I'm really sad right now.
Okay, it looks good. It's falling apart a little bit.
Oh! This is the only one that came out nice. So, I mean, I don't think this did very well, but this is my first time doing it, so if you have any tips or suggestions, please let me know. Anyway guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see next.